Hey everybody, this is Shayna from UniqueUnicorns.com, and I'm about to show Happy Cabby that I can indeed make a balloon dog smaller than his. I've got my balloon here. It's a purple one. I happen to like purple. It's my favorite color. We'll do a little more. My pump. My knot. Squeeze. And we're ready to go. Alright, here we go. I don't usually do balloon animals online. I'm more of a kind of a nature buff. I like to be out in the woods and taking pictures and videos of animals. Oops, that didn't work. There we go. Nope. Come on. You can do it. Nope. Come on. There we go. Nope. Still didn't work. I'll get it. I will. There we go. That's better. Oh, that one came a little bit bigger than it needed to be, but that's okay. So he'll be a slightly... one of my bubbles was a little bigger than it should have been. There we go. There's his little head. I have no idea what to talk about right now, so you guys can go ahead and laugh at my ramblings. It's okay. I don't care. I'm a very funny person. Or at least I've been told that. Nope. Small bubbles are really hard to do. At least for me. Oh, that's too big. There we go. Okay. There's his footies. I still ended up with one bubble a little bit bigger than it should have been. That's okay. In there. Okay. Tweak him a little bit. His head wants to go the other way. There we go. There's little doggy. Let's go for the body. Yep. Yeah, I have no idea what to talk about right now. This is not something that I'm usually doing as a video for YouTube. This is... Nope, get up there. Yeehaw! There we go. Alright. There's other little legs in there. Okay, now I'm going to have to hold that. Because that's going to come untwisted if I'm not careful. And it's about to. So, save the scrap. I might need that later. Almost didn't give myself enough room to tie with. Come on. There we go. And there's that. And then we're going to walk it in. Oh no! Ah! Nope! Nope! Stay! Bad bubble. Stay. Okay, there we go. Come on, little buddy. We can do this. Alright. Stick that through there. His little tail. Tweak him around a little bit. Oh, one of his leg bubbles is a little too big. And it's not happy. Tweak him a little bit. Okay! There he is! My little balloon dog. Now to show you how small this is, Happy Cabby measured his to a computer mouse. This is a quarter. This is the smallest balloon dog I think is ever possible anywhere. I hope that comes up. Oh, I dropped my quarter. So there. Here's ring that goes around my middle finger. Okay? Or my ring finger, rather, not my middle finger. There it is. The world's smallest balloon dog with a ring on. So there you go. There he is. Oh, he's shaking his head now. He's saying, yes, I am the smallest dog. Woohoo! Anyways, there he is, Happy Cabby. I met your challenge. I succeeded. What's my prize? Bye, everybody.